The Mini Rhymes TV.
A is for albatross, wings so wide, gliding gently on the ocean tide, flying far with the bridge so free, strong and graceful just like the sea. B is for bluebird, singing all day, bringing joy in a cheerful way. With feathers bright and voice so sweet, every song is a lovely treat. C is for crow, clever and wise, always alert with watchful eyes. He finds his food and learns each trick, smart and quick, eating so sleek. D is for dove, gentle and kind, messenger of peace for all mankind. With snowy wings, it soars above, a bird of hope, a bird of love. E is for eagle, soaring so high, bold and fearless in the sky. With mighty wings and eyes so keen, strongest hunter ever seen. F is for flamingo, pink and tall, standing graceful, loved by all, balancing gently on one zebra finch, striped and neat. Tiny bird with song so sweet. Living happy side by side. In flock they play and sing with pride. Yay! Very, very good! Bye, my kids! Until next time!
Hello little stars, let's sing the ABCs with animal friends. Starting from A to E. Come on, let's go. A is for ant, tiny and sweet, marching on 6 little dancing feet, carrying leaves, working all day, helping each other in every way. B is for bear, who loves to play. He stumps and grows all through the day, furry and strong, big and bold, giving warm hugs when it's cold. C is for cat, with a mew so sweet. She top-toes softly on little feet. She plays with yarn and then takes a nap, curled in a ball on Mommy's lap. D is for dog, with a happy bark. He loves to play and run in the park, fetching sticks and chasing his tail, wagging his tail like a furry sail. E is for elephant, big and grand. He sprays cool water with his trunk so grand, walking slowly, calm and wise, with big fluffy ears and gentle eyes. Yeah, very good! Hello again little stars, ready to sing with more animals from F to J? Let's jump into the jungle of joy! F is for fox, clever and sly, with a bushy tail and twinkling eye. He runs through woods so fast and light, playing hide and seek at night. G is for giraffe, tall and neat, with a long neck and dancing feet. She munches leaves from the tallest tree, graceful and happy as can be. H is for a hippo, chubby and round, splashing and playing where water is found. He wiggles his ears and wiggles his nose, in the muddy river he happily goes. I is for iguana, green and slow, climbing on branches wherever they grow. She loves the sun and likes to rest in her leafy jungle nest. J is for jellyfish, floating with grace, glowing gently in the ocean space. Wibbly and soft, she swims with ease, dancing with bubbles in the seas. Hi there shining stars, let's meet more animal friends today. From K to O, come on, press play. K is for kangaroo, boing boing boing. She hops around and loves to sing, with a baby joy in her pouch so tight, they bounce together, what a sight. L is for lion, king of the land, with a golden mane so strong and grand. He gives a roar, loud and deep, then lies in the sun and falls asleep. M is for monkey, silly and fun, swinging through trees, always on the run. He eats bananas, makes funny faces, jumping around in wild places. N is for newt, so small and bright, with colorful skin and eyes full of light. He wiggles and wriggles near the stream, living a life like a rainbow dream. O is for owl, who hoots at night, with big round eyes that shine so bright. She flies through stars, wise and slow, watching the forest down below. Yay, very good! Hello again shining stars, let's meet more animal friends near and far. From P to T, come jump with glee. Let's rhyme and sing the ABC. P is for penguin, waddling neat, with tiny wings and chilly feet. He slides on ice and dives so deep, then huddles up in a cozy sleep. Q is for quail, small and shy, with feathers neat and wings to fly. She hides in bushes quick and low, speaking out so sweet and slow. R is for rabbit, soft and quick, with fluffy ears and hopping streaks. She nibbles carrots, plays all day, then snuggles down in hay and hay. S is for snake, slithery and sleek, hissing gently, hide and seek. He coils and curls in sunny light, shining scales that gleam so bright. T is for tiger, bold and fast, with stripes that shine as he dashes past. He roars with pride and takes a leap, then lies in grass for a jungle sleep. Yay! Very, very good! Hey little learners, are you ready? It's our last ABC ride. Let's keep it steady from U to Z. Come sing with me and finish this fun ABC journey. Let's go! U is for unicorn, shiny and bright, with a rainbow horn and wings of light. She prances through dreams pure and sweet, with glittery hooves and magic feet. V is for vulture, soaring high, circling slowly in the sky. With giant wings so wide and strong, he glides above all day long. W is for whale, big and blue, singing songs in the ocean too. She splashes waves and dives so deep in the ocean where dolphins live. X is for X-ray fish, see-through and bright. She glows like stars in the soft moonlight. With fins that shimmer white and small, she swims like magic through it all. Y is for yak, with fuzzy hair, living in mountains cold and bare. He munches grass and gives a moo, with a woolly coat and horns too. Z is for zebra, stripy and fun, running freely in the sun. Black and white with a galloping beat, zebras make our rhyme complete. Yay! Very, very good! A to Z, we have danced and learned so many animals, now it's your turn. Sing the rhyme, don't miss a beat. ABC with animals is oh so sweet. Yay! Very good! Bye bye kids, keep practicing. Until next time.